Okay, do you need help submitting an assignment? Let me show you. Reminder, my computer is going to look a little different than yours. However, I will still guide you in the right direction. So go to classwork. We are in Unit 4. We are in Week 2 currently today. And your job today is to complete Monday's section of the web quest. So here is a link to help you identify the website. You click it, it will load for you. However, down here is your assignment. All you have to do is literally click edit, and you can type right on this document here, and you can plug your answers in. Okay? Then when you submit, there is a button right up here where my cursor is, right here, and it will say submit. And that's all you do. And so do Monday section, submit. We will open it back up on Tuesday, and then we will submit again after class, and then Wednesday you will submit a third time. So you have unlimited submitting. Maybe you get hungry in the middle of the class period, submit and come back to it, and that is fine, okay? However, you will see submit up here. You will see open. If you click open, that is fine too. Just make sure you go back to the Canvas page and click submit at the same time. Okay, I hope this helps. If you need to go to multiple assignments, you can click next, and it'll take you to the next assignment. Okay? All right, let me know if you are still confused, and I can set up a time to meet with you.